Next, the shadow of a tower when the angle of elevation of a sun is 45 degrees is found to be 10 meters longer than when the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Same problem we have solved 1000 times. So we won't be wasting much time. See this, 45 degrees angle shadow is 10 more, and 60 degrees angle we don't know the shadow length, so it is lesser. Okay, then height is what? See here, 45 is, this is 45. 45 means both the sides are equal of the triangle, because this is 90. So 10 plus x, if this is 10 plus x, this distance height will be 10 plus x. So tan 60 equals to 10 plus x upon x. Okay, tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 equals to 10 plus x upon x. Therefore, root 3 solve it, 1.732x equals to 10 plus x. Therefore, 0.732x equals to 10. Therefore, x equals to 10 upon 0.732, 13.66. Solve this you personally yourself. Therefore, 10 plus x equals to 10 plus 13.66, 23.66. That is the height. If the answer in the exam is in the root 3 only and they have not solved the root 3 value, keep it as it is, right? Then the answer would be in root 3. We have solved similar problems almost twice in earlier videos. Check those. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30,